Welcome to the Moral Story Squad!
Story time. The Carrot Bridge. Lulu walks home proudly with 6 carrots for lunch. Lulu finds Toto the turtle stuck beside a muddy stream. Lulu counts the carrots and worries there will be fewer for soup. Lulu tries to jump across but drops 1 carrot into the mud. Lulu notices the carrots are firm enough to make stepping logs. Lulu places 3 carrots across the narrow mud like a tiny bridge. Lulu helps Toto cross slowly without slipping. Lulu uses the remaining carrots with Toto to make a small soup. 2 friends eat less each but laugh more together. Lulu understands that sharing did not make the day smaller. It made the table bigger. Moral of the story: sharing can turn one snack into a friendship. Story time. Benny's soft word. Benny practices a loud berry counting song while filling his basket. Benny laughs when a duckling drops berries into the leaves. Benny sees the duckling cover its face and go quiet. Benny remembers how small he felt when others laughed at him. Benny sets down his basket and says, "I am sorry for laughing." Benny shows the duckling how to cup leaves like a little tray. Benny helps gather the berries one by one. Benny changes his silly song into a gentle counting rhyme for both of them. The duckling smiles and sings the last number with him. Benny learns that kind words can lift someone who feels embarrassed. Moral of the story: kind words can fix a hurt faster than teasing ever can. Story time. Mimi and the Cookie Crumbs. Mimi carried a tray of star cookies to the meadow picnic. Mimi chases a butterfly and bumps the tray against a stone. Mimi watches 3 cookies break into crumbs. Mimi almost hides the crumbs under a napkin. Mimi hears friends asking who brought the broken cookies. Mimi takes a breath and says, "I broke them by accident." Mimi expects everyone to be angry. Mimi helps turn the crumbs into tiny cookie sprinkles for fruit cups. Friends cheer because the new treat tastes wonderful. Mimi learns that telling the truth gave everyone a chance to fix the mistake. Moral of the story: honesty is brave because it helps everyone repair the truth. Story time. Toto's slow seeds. Toto plants sunflower seeds in a neat row. Toto checks the soil after lunch and sees nothing. Toto pokes the dirt with a twig to hurry the seeds. Toto nearly pushes 1 seed out of its hole. An old snail gardener shows him a tiny root under the soil. Toto gently covers the seed again. Toto waters the row and marks the spot with pebbles. Toto visits every day without digging. One morning green shoots stand in a line. Toto learns that waiting carefully can help good things grow. Moral of the story: patience gives small things time to become wonderful. Story time. Daisy's Broken Crayon Box. Daisy arrives with a new box of crayons for mural day. Daisy sees everyone choosing the brightest colors first. Daisy notices the shy hedgehog searching for a brown crayon for tree trunks. Daisy finds the brown crayon broken in 3 pieces. Daisy almost keeps coloring her own rainbow. Daisy wraps the broken crayon with a leaf band so it is easier to hold. Daisy sets up a tiny tray for short crayon pieces. Daisy helps the hedgehog draw the strongest tree in the mural. Daisy and the other friends bring small broken crayons to the tray. Daisy learns that helping with a small problem can make the whole picture better. Moral of the story: helpfulness means noticing the job nobody asked for. Story time. Rafi's Star Path. Rafi runs to hang paper stars before the school show. Rafi drops shiny stars behind him without noticing. A tiny frog tries to follow the glitter trail but gets lost near tall grass. Rafi reaches the stage and sees half his stars are gone. Rafi feels annoyed and wants to run back fast. Rafi spots the frog holding one star and trembling. Rafi slows down and places stars on low branches like guide lights. Rafi walks the frog safely to the show. The guide lights help younger friends find their seats too. Rafi learns that slowing down can help everyone arrive safely. Moral of the story: rushing can miss the friend who needs your light. Story time. Nina's Heavy Storybooks. Nina borrows too many storybooks because she wants to impress the class. Nina stacks them higher than her ears. Nina starts up the hill and wobbles at every step. Nina refuses help from a young deer because she wants to do it alone. Nina drops the top books into soft grass. Nina sees pages bending in the wind. Nina finally asks the deer to carry half the stack. Nina ties the books with ribbon and walks slowly beside her friend. Nina arrives with every page safe. Nina learns that asking for help can protect the thing you care about. Moral of the story: asking for help is not giving up, it is choosing wisely. Story time. Pip's Snow Fort Team. Pip wanted to build the tallest snow fort alone. Pip piles snow fast while a snail, seal, and robin watch. The wall keeps leaning because one side is too heavy. Pip blames the snow and starts again. The snail suggests slow round blocks for the bottom. The seal pats each block smooth with flippers. The robin drops tiny flags to mark the corners. Pip stacks carefully using each friend's idea. The fort stands strong enough for everyone to sit inside. Pip learns that a team is not extra noise, it is extra strength. Moral of the story: teamwork works best when every friend has a real part.